Okay, let's start by going to the chat input box. I'll click on it to start typing. I'm going to type our architecture prompt. I want to build a membership platform with community features, forums, chat room, and content gating based on the membership tier. Let's submit this prompt and see what InfraSketch generates for us. Awesome! Your complete architecture diagram has been generated, and you can see the system overview in the chat panel. Now that we have our initial diagram, let's explore and inspect the components that were created. Let's scroll down to see more details about our generated architecture. Let's explore the web client component first. As you can see, hovering over any component brings up detailed information about its role and functionality in the system. Let's check out the API gateway next. Great! The API Gateway tooltip shows us how it handles routing and manages requests between the client and backend services. Let's examine the Community and Forum Management service. This tooltip gives us insights into how the community features are structured in our architecture. Let's also look at the Content Access and Gating service. Excellent! This shows us how content access and permissions are managed within the system. Now that we've explored the initial components, let's see how we can modify this architecture by adding a load balancer. Let's add a load balancer before our gateway. The system is processing our request and generating the updated architecture. The diagram now includes a load balancer component, and we have new modification options available. And that wraps up our InfraSketch tutorial. You've learned how to generate architecture diagrams from prompts, explore components, and modify your designs with additional elements like load balancers. Happy architecting!